Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Well, I'm fine too, thank you. Before we start our lesson today, please the captain in this class lead the prayer. Okay, thank you. Before I continue to the material, I will check your presence today. Alhan Hernaili Ibrahim, present. Azril, nothing, absent, yes. Burhanuddin, Turia, Zubaida, where is Zubaida? Anyone know? Nothing, okay, absent, yes. Well, today there are 2 students absent. Well, do you know about the topic today? Good. What is it? Yes, the topic today is about asking and giving opinion. Do you know what is asking and giving opinion? Anyone know? Nothing? Okay, it's okay. I will explain it. Asking and giving opinion here to describe how we are to ask the opinions of others and how we are provide the opinions to others. Jadi, asking and giving opinion artinya asking artinya meminta, giving artinya memberi, opinion artinya pendapat. Jadi, asking opinion adalah meminta pendapat kepada orang lain, entah itu meminta pendapat tentang suatu benda, orang, lingkungan, dan lain sebagainya. Sedangkan giving opinion artinya memberi pendapat kepada orang lain, entah itu memberi pendapat tentang suatu benda, orang, lingkungan, dan lain sebagainya. Here, I have a picture. What's your opinion of this picture? Well, I think all of you here still confused how to give the response, yes? Yes. Now, we are going to learn about asking and giving opinion. Kita akan belajar kita akan belajar tentang meminta dan memberi pendapat dalam bahasa Inggris. Belajar cara meminta dan memberi pendapat itu sangat penting bagi kalian semua untuk meningkatkan skill bahasa Inggris kalian. Tidak hanya mendapatkan kosakata baru, tapi kalian juga bisa meminta dan memberi pendapat di situasi yang mengharuskan kalian untuk berbicara bahasa Inggris. For example, when you meet with your friends from other country. Misal, ketika kalian bertemu dengan teman bule kalian, atau ketika kalian menghadiri suatu diskusi internasional dan tiba-tiba kalian ditanya suatu pendapat. Nah, di sini kalian akan merasa kebingungan jika kalian tidak paham tentang materi asking and giving opinion. Tapi, jika kalian paham tentang materi asking and giving opinion, kalian akan mudah menjawab jika ditanya suatu pendapat. Oleh karena itu, penting bagi kita semua untuk belajar tentang asking and giving opinion. Do you get the point? Good. Here I have a handout. For more detail, you can open your books page number 90 and 91. Tolong ketua kelasnya dibagikan ya. Sudah? Bagus. Now, we go to the practice 6. Listen and repeat. I will read the dialogue first and then you repeat after me, okay? Good. Nomor 1. What do you think of my pant? Repeat after me. What do you think of my pant? It is good. Nomor 2. What would you say about my new shirt? I don't know. Good. Nah, di sini di dialog yang nomor 1, si A meminta pendapat kepada si B tentang sebuah pen. Kemudian si B memberi pendapat kepada si A tentang pennya, yaitu dengan ungkapan it is good. Itu bagus. Sedangkan yang nomor 2, si A meminta pendapat kepada si B tentang kemeja baru. Namun di sini si B tidak memberi pendapat apapun tentang kemeja barunya si A, sehingga si B memberi atau menjawab dengan ungkapan I don't know, saya tidak tahu. If you are asked an opinion, you can give the opinion. Or if you don't have any opinion, you can saying no opinion like I don't know or I don't think so. Do you get the point? Good. Now, practice 7. Read this dialogue with your friends. Here there are the dialogue. I will read it first and then you can repeat after me. Number 1. What do you think about my new pair of shoes? I think they look good on you. Nomor 2. Do you have any opinion about my bag? Well, I must say it is nice. Okay, good job. Sekarang praktekkan dialog tadi dengan teman sebangku kalian ya. Sudah? Good. Now, see on the table below. Here there are some expressions about asking for someone's opinion, giving opinion, and saying no opinion. Here I will read the expression and then make the example. After that you can repeat after me, okay? Good. Number 1. What do you think about? Repeat after me. What do you think about? Apa atau bagaimana pendapatmu tentang? The example is, what do you think about going to the beach this weekend? Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang pergi ke pantai akhir pekan ini? Good. Nomor 2. What's your opinion of? Apa pendapatmu tentang? The example is, what's your opinion of this material? Apa pendapatmu tentang materi ini? Good. Nomor 3. What about? Bagaimana dengan? The example is, what about your trip last week? Bagaimana dengan liburanmu minggu lalu? Good. Next, what would you say to? Apa yang akan kamu katakan? The example is, what would you say to make him happy? Apa yang akan kamu katakan untuk membuatnya bahagia? Good. Now we go to the expression of giving opinion. The first is, I think it is good idea. I think it is good idea. Saya pikir itu ide bagus. Next, well, I must say. Ya, aku harus bilang. The example is, Well, I must say that the material is interesting. Ya, saya akan mengatakan bahwa materinya sangat menarik. Next, don't you think? Tidakkah kamu berpikir? The example is, don't you think that my trip ran well? Tidakkah kamu berpikir bahwa liburanku berjalan dengan baik? Next, I do say. Good. Saya akan mengatakan, the example is, I do say that his mother get a new car. Saya akan mengatakan bahwa ibunya mendapatkan mobil baru, sebuah mobil baru. Good job. Now, saying no opinion. If you are asked an opinion, if you have any opinion, you can give your opinion. But if you don't have any opinion, you can saying no opinion like I don't know or I don't think so. Saya tidak tahu atau saya tidak berpikir begitu. Please repeat after me. I don't know. I don't think so. Good job. Do you get the point? Good. Now, please go to the practice 8. Practice the following dialogue. Here, there are the dialogue you can practice with your partner and then underline the expression of asking and giving opinion. Do it right now. Finish? Good. Good job. And then make a group that consists of 2 students, and make the dialogue about asking and giving opinion. Then practice it in front of the class. Okay? Are you understand? Do you understand? Good. Sudah membuat dialognya? Good. Now, practice it with your partner in front of the class. For the first, I will choose Turia and partner to read the dialogue in front of the class. Please go forward. Good job. Give applause to Turia and her partner. Okay, I think enough for today, but don't forget to do the exercise in your worksheet on page number 40 about asking and giving opinion. Next week, we will discuss it together. Understand? Good. Okay, well, because the time is up, please the captain in this class lead the prayer to close the class. Okay, thank you. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week.